Hey, good morning everybody.
Good morning, sir.
So today we are going to discuss about tenses. Basically tense means what? It means time. When we just discuss about the present time, that is called present tense. When we just talk about past time, that is called past tense. And when we just discuss something about future time, so that will be called future tense. So first of all, we'll discuss the simple present, simple past and simple future. Today we'll discuss only present indefinite, and this is called also present indefinite, past indefinite and future indefinite tense. Right? So just see some example I have written here. So first one is I do. It means मैं करता हूँ. I do. In simple present it will be I do. In simple past I did. And in future, simple future, I will do. Let me take one other example. Second one, I go, and it will be past, I went, and I will go. Third one is, I write, I wrote, I will write. Fourth one, he does, he did, and he will do. Fifth one, she writes, she wrote, and she will write. Next one is they play, they played, they will play. Last one is we go, we went, and we will go. So now what you need to do, you have to just replace the action word. In place of do, guys, you can just take any action word. Let me give you example. Right? I go to school. And what will be the past of I go to school? I went to school. Did, it means second form. You have to use second form in past tense. And future, I will go to school. And again you just replace the action word here. I take tea. I take tea. And past, I took tea. And what will be the future? I will take tea. Third one, I write a letter. I write a letter, and in place of write you can take any action word. Jैसे let me give you example. I play cricket. I played cricket. I will play cricket. Next one, he makes tea. He makes tea. And past, he made tea. And what will be the future? He will make tea. Getting my point? Okay, good. Next one, she writes. So in place of writes, again you have to replace this action word, and in place of writes, you can take worships. She worships daily. She worships daily. She worshipped yesterday, and she will worship tomorrow. You can use tomorrow as well. It is up to you. If you like to use, you may use guys. And next one is they play. In place of play, you can also replace they do their homework. They do their homework. They did their homework, and they will do their homework. Last one is we go. We go to field. We go to school. We go to market. And here you use second form of go. That will be went. So we went to market yesterday. We went to school. And what will be the future? We will go to school. Getting my point? So this way, guys, you have to go through this table. You have to practice daily so that you could just get proficiency in this language. This is simple present, simple past, and simple future. Right?